Um,
My name's
hmm.
Carl Chilton, and this is my assignment for 2.2, and I'm recording the audio first on this, so bear with me to get my video recorder started. And yeah, other than that, I'll be showing you how to install the Advanced System Care and Avast Antivirus so your computer will stay in tip-top condition, and all you have to do is click scan every once in a while. So without further ado, I'm going to start recording my screen. So I'm going to capture my screen and capturing now. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the internet. I'm using Chrome. I've just downloaded my audio software to record my voice. And okay, so we're going to install Advanced System Care first. So you're just going to go to your search engine. You're just going to type in Advanced, and if you have auto search on, it's right there, Advanced System Care. So you just search that, click on the first link, which is this one right here. It's right there, free download. You click this top button here, download now, and it will download automatically. So when it's done, you just go over to there in your file system, downloads, and this is on Windows 7, so yeah, it's a 64-bit system and everything. Just going to click run. Yes. We're just going to allow it to make changes to the system, so it can install itself and do the scans and everything. Next. Yeah, make sure you read your license agreement. Create desktop. Okay, you see this right here? This is a software that we don't want, so you're just going to skip it, and it will install Advanced System Care. As you can see, it installs pretty quick. And it will give you an option to install Driver Booster as well. You want to have that clicked, and because it will update every single driver on your PC with a click of the button. Granted, it will have to download all the drivers and install them, so it will take a while for the drivers to be installed from Driver Booster. So you're just going to click finish. We're going to close this. And there we have Advanced System Care. So before I dive right into this, I'm going to install Avast Security, and this is your antivirus. So we're going to go to Avast, just type in Avast. Just going to stop that. That's Driver Booster, by the way. Avast. So you want to go to download, free download, download now. Go over to your downloads, and it's right there, Avast Free Antivirus. Avast installer cannot continue because Avast. Okay. Tell you what, we're not going to install Avast. So instead, we're going to continue with this. We're going to close that. Okay, so here's what Advanced System Care Free comes with. You get your spyware removal, your internet booster, security defense, which is your Windows updates and whatnot. You get your registry fixer, shortcuts fixer, disk scan, privacy sweep, registry defag, vulnerability fix, junk files clean, system optimization and disk optimization. And with Pro you get a few other tools as well. We're not going to have Pro at the moment because I don't have a key registered yet. So all you have to do all of this is click scan. Make sure you tick automatic fix, and it will scan everything, and it will automatically repair it for you, and it will speed up your PC like any ordinary thing. It will pretty much be fresh out the box as it was. So it will go, how do you say, faster. Not only will it make it faster, you can also prevent viruses and stuff like that. So that's advanced system care, that's what it does. I'm not going to perform a scan because it will take forever, and I don't want to make this video extremely long because of my hard drive space. So I'm just going to show off show you what tools it comes with. You get your iObit uninstaller. Compared to uninstalling a program normally, it can leave files behind. This will get rid of those extra files that were left behind. Driver booster, of course, one click driver updater, self-explanatory. You don't need to do this manually anymore, it's just there. Smart defrag, just defrags your hard drive. iObit malware fighter. This is an actual antivirus. Because we're going to install Avast right now, we're going to install this. You just click on it, it'll automatically download and install it for you. So we're just going to let it do that. And this is free, by the way. This is 100% free. It's not a virus, it's not malware, and it will keep your system safe. So do we have to click it again? Not too sure. Yeah. So it's an antivirus. It also protects your browser and everything. Obviously, when you first install it, it'll say your PC might not be secure. Database is outdated because we just installed it, and we never scanned, so it will say this. Other than that, it's just a general antivirus. It does its job, and it is the free version. So other than the antivirus, we have the game booster. It will close down all the background applications that you don't need. This is perfect for gaming because it can make the difference between 20 FPS and 100 FPS on any system, depending on what game you're running and whatnot. We have the Windows Fixer. It just fixes general problems and that, or when you get infected and you need a bit of a recovery after you've gotten rid of the virus and malware. You have your PC transfer, which will just back up your data, and then you can just restore it on another PC. Disk Doctor performs analysis on your disks and their file systems. Just checks your file systems and whatnot, and make sure they're all in order. Undelete, it just recovers stuff from your recycle bin or your BIOS memory or your cache memory. File Shredder just permanent deletes files that you've allocated. Your default programs, essentially makes programs to their default, so when you open a file, it will open the file in that program that you specified. For instance, you have Windows Media Player and you have VLC Media Player. I prefer VLC, so I want to set all my music files to open in VLC Media Player because of the university of it. Your Startup Manager, it sets programs to start up on the system boot, and disables them as well if you wish to disable them. It's quite useful. Smart RAM cleans your RAM. Unfortunately, this is for the Pro, but you can get serial keys online and just block the. You can block the program's connections in your firewall, so it doesn't flag you for having a pirated serial key. Okay, Internet Booster, I've already covered this. It just boost your download speed essentially or whatnot. I'm not sure how this one exactly works, but I've noticed that it doesn't make any difference. program deactivator disables running programs. It does what it says on the tin. Registry defag, advanced system key will do this automatically on a scan. Same with the registry cleaner, disk cleaner, and yeah, those three tools it will do automatically. Your empty folder scanner will just scan empty folders and delete them, so it's self-explanatory. Shortcut fixer. Now, if you've ever had a dead shortcut, you will understand what this does. It just relinks it back to the file that it's associated with, because it knows what stuff you've installed and what shortcut goes where. And it will just relocate the shortcut to the exe file. And your cloned file scanner scans your hard disk or hard drive for files that have been duplicated, and it will delete those duplicated files and keep the original. I've noticed that this helps with some virus scenarios, because some viruses duplicate themselves, and if you can delete the duplicates, you can then find the source via this program, delete that source, and then it's essentially gone, and then you just need to do a full virus scan using the antivirus provided, and you're virus free. But you have to watch out with some viruses, because they'll modify the system, lock you out of certain things, and pretty much cause havoc on your system. But normally when I get a virus, I do a full reinstall of Windows just to make sure that there's nothing left of it. But I will lose all my data because of infections and stuff being transferred onto the new install, depending on where the virus has written itself and whatnot. So the next tool we're going to cover is one of the main ones that I prefer, and this is the Turbo Boost. So what you do is, it's a one button click away from boosting your PC. Instead of using the Game Booster, use this. What it does is, it will ask you to configure it. You can set your theme back to Windows 95 style, so it uses less system RAM and whatnot. You can close all the applications that you don't need, any connections that you don't need to the internet, and it will boost your connection dramatically due to closing those extra connections. And in general, your PC will be running faster. Granted, it will be in Windows 95 theme mode, and applications may not be able to be used. But other than that, I use this instead of the Game Booster. I can recommend it if you want a one-click boost and you don't want to do a scan. So it's been a heck of a time getting this prepared to show off, because of the research I've been doing. Well, I personally use this tool, and that's how I know about it really. But other than this, it's an all-in-one solution to keeping your PC in tip-top condition, and it comes with a free antivirus. So I don't want to make this video too long, and that's why I'm not doing the scans. But most of it's just one button clicks and it's done. Granted, you have to wait for it to be done, but it keeps your PC as fresh as it can be.